You can retire from a job, but don't ever retire from making. There have been a number of cool things that have happened since starting this YouTube channel. Gaining my first 100 subscribers, getting Jimmy DiResta to agree to be my dad, pulling Maddox Hardcore out of retirement to appear in a YouTube video, and this point here, collaborating with my mom on a project. Cool. My mom is and has always been a maker. As far back as I can remember, she's always been tinkering with something, which is probably where I get it from. The one thing I know for sure I inherited is her craftsmanship and attention to detail. Look, I make a lot of things on this channel that are first attempts and I mess them up so that you don't have to. But things like bookbinding, which I craft with painstaking precision, is where I see it manifest. I enjoy the lifelong journey of always getting a bit better at a craft with every attempt. It'll never be perfect, but it'll always be better, inching its way closer to that line. My mom is also an incredible reverse engineer. The times I've seen her look at something and then from memory be able to not only replicate it, but improve upon the design is kind of incredible. This project is one of many birthday gifts my wife will be receiving this year. 2 days ago to be exact, if you're watching this upon release. So in the interest of time and ease, I bought this denim apron with leather accents for her, and my mom and I decided we'd personalize it in gold to match some of the hardware. I hope she likes it. I'm in Portugal at this very moment you're watching this with my wife. And though I've done the smart thing and scheduled videos in my absence, I may be a bit slower getting back to your comments. See you down there. Obrigado por assistir. That's thanks for watching in Portuguese. I looked it up on Google.